Hello everyone, long time no see. I am back with another foundation review and a wear test. I really hope you guys are excited for this one. You already know that we are talking about the new Rare Beauty skin tint. This is actually called the Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer, and I am super excited to be testing this for you. We're going to get straight into the wear test. As usual, the timestamps will be below so you can skip to your favorite part. I will be doing a few check-ins throughout the day, so let's just get started. I've already gone ahead and moisturized my face. I'm going to be using a primer all over my face, which is what I usually do now. This is the NYX Plump Right Back primer with electrolytes. It's a really nice gripping primer, which is why I like it, and it's also hydrating at the same time. In the application process, I will be speaking a little bit more towards the details of this foundation. So currently this is available in 24 shades. I picked up the shade 32N. I did purchase this online from the Sephora website, so I still hope that this is going to be a good match for me. We'll see about that. So let's get right into it. I'm going to shake the bottle really well, and I'm going to be applying this straight with my fingers like how I normally, apply foundation. It's like oozing out. I think it's going to be light. Oh yeah, this is not the right shade for me, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna be applying this with my fingers. This is supposed to match like multiple skin tones, like one shade is supposed to match multiple skin tones. You guys can see that this is a little bit light for me. We're gonna make it work, not to worry, but I just want to show you how beautiful and like dewy my skin is looking. It's not clinging on to any of my dry patches. It's looking so skin-like, and the coverage is pretty much like a light to medium, so you can build it up a little bit more. I just wish I had gotten the right shade. So this skin tint is said to be a weightless tinted moisturizer that instantly blurs and hydrates skin with light to medium coverage and a natural finish. On the Sephora website, some of the highlights is that it's liquid formula, hydrating, light coverage. It's best for dry combo to normal skin, has a radiant finish, and it is vegan. I personally have a combo, like normal to combo skin, and I can definitely tell that this is quite blurring. At the same time, it is very, very hydrating as well. Okay, so now we're really, really close. You guys can see how beautiful this is already looking on my skin. It does have that blurring effect. It does have that luminosity. Like, I love how skin-like this is. You can see that it's covered up my redness, but not the deep, dark blemishes that I have. However, you can always go in with the concealer and spot conceal. Since we are doing an all-day wear test, I'm going to start that right now since the foundation is applied. The time is now 9:09 a.m. Okay, so the makeup is done. You can see that there's no patchiness. Everything went on really well, really smoothly. A very natural look today, guys. This is a skin tint like moisturizer, so it's not meant to give you coverage. It's just supposed to even out your skin tone, which it has done. You can definitely see my blemishes, but it's looking great. It looks very natural, and I still feel and look put together. So yes, other than the shade match, which is my own fault, I am really loving this. I'm going to do a few check-ins throughout the day. I'm going to try and wear this throughout the whole day, at least a minimum of an 8-hour test. But first, let's go outside to show you what this is looking like in daylight. Okay, guys, here I am in front of my big window, and this is all natural light. This is what the makeup is looking like. And to be honest, in reality, the shade match doesn't look as bad. It's kind of blended into my neck, which I'm fine with. So here's a close-up. It's looking very luminous and natural at the same time. So I will be back to do another check-in, and I'll see you shortly. Bye. All right, guys, so it's been a little over 4 hours now. And this is what the makeup is looking like, and it hasn't moved much, obviously. It's still nice and dewy and fresh. My natural oils have come out, but it's still not looking oily, and the makeup is still staying on. And I also didn't apply any setting spray, so the fact that it's held up after 4 hours, despite it being a skin tint and a moisturizer, it's holding up pretty good. And yeah, so this is the 4-hour mark, and that's all I have right now, and I'll see you guys in the final check-in. All right, guys, so we are back, and it has been a little over 8 hours since I've had this on my face. The time is now 5:37, so yeah, a little over 8 hours. And I just wanted to give you guys my final check-in, my final thoughts. Other than my blush fading, everything else is still the same. And remember, I did not apply any setting spray after the makeup application. I have to say this has blended really well with my natural oils. It's not looking super oily or anything like that. It's done a really good job of keeping my T-zone where I get the most oil production. So it's done a good job of keeping my T-zone pretty much dry and normal. So I've zoomed you guys in a little bit more, and you guys can see how this is looking. I'm very, very impressed. I don't think that I've really liked a tinted moisturizer per se this much. The only critique that I can give at this point, and that's me being extremely picky, is that it kind of settled into my like laugh lines just a hair. Also, I didn't get any dry patches on the sides of my mouth, which some foundations and skin tints tend to do with my skin. Look, guys, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is the most revolutionary product on the market. We've seen many brands come out with a similar concept and similar products. However, I will say that this is one of the better products of the tinted moisturizer type of category, because previously some of the tints I've tried, I would just rub it into my skin and it would just disappear. It wouldn't even out the skin. What I appreciate and like most about this product compared to all the other skin tints that I've tried is that it's thin enough but provides you a bit of pigmentation, just enough to even out your skin tone. Definitely your skin but better type of look with this product. It is $38 at Sephora Canadian, so I do find it to be a little bit more on the pricey end for a tinted moisturizer type of product. However, it's not the most expensive complexion product out there. Therefore, in terms of affordability, I would categorize this to be more in the medium price range. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for today's review and wear test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.